Hello again. We are now moving to the next form in your high school reporting forms document. And the next form that we will be completing is the course registration for second semester. To review, our student information is already filled out. We have reported that our student is graduating this year, so that box has been checked. We have completed everything for the first semester and the classes that are ongoing throughout the year. At this point, we are filling out the remaining 2 classes that Joshua is taking second semester. I want to be very clear here. If your student is taking a half-credit course first semester that does not continue into the second semester, do not erase that course. Don't overwrite it in the text box, but leave it there. If you do not have enough space to finish your courses that may be taken first semester or all year, please see the additional page where you can fill in additional courses, but do not delete a first semester class and fill it in with a second semester class. So Joshua is taking 2 more classes dual enrolled at the community college. To complete his requirements for a college prep diploma, he is taking German 2. Again, this is a course taken at our local community college, and they provide the textbook. In addition, the course title is German 102, and it appears in their course catalog as GERM 102. I'm going to fill out Carroll Community College on the publisher line and put down the pages of the book. Because this is a college level course, we are seeking 1 credit. The last course that Joshua is taking this year is a math course, and the title of that math course is Statistics. He is taking this as well at Carroll Community College, and the section and title of that class is Math 113. Again, they use their own materials and online sources for this, and we are simply filling that out here as well. This is a longer book, and we are seeking 1 credit. So at this point, we have all of Joshua's work filled out for the entire year. His first semester health course remains on his course registration. We have added 2 classes for second semester, which you will notice when we scroll up to the first semester course registration. They now appear there as well. And now we have filled out the second semester course registration form.